I can't really see it, but you guys can. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a new video. And today we're doing some more mods to the GTI. Oh yes, more mods guys. We are turning this little beast into an aggressive animal now. So I got the mods in the car. Here, it's in this package right here. Let me get it out for you. It's packed in this. It's for your headlights to let it look a little bit more aggressive. I'm gonna show you it, but first we need to turn the car around because it works a little bit easier for me and filming at the same time. Cold start. Like I'm saying every video guys, it's still stock, but we are gonna change that in the future. Don't worry about it. The GTI is now in its place. I'm gonna show you how it looks, sorta. I'm not gonna stick them on yet. I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna look. Okay, so it's this piece right here. You got some sticky thingies on them. It's pretty easy, just like the pedal shifters that I did. You have to take the red thing off and then stick it onto the car. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Test fit it. Supposed to be like this. I can't really see it, but you guys can. It looks a little bit like it's gonna be an aggressive car now. Like I said earlier, I don't know how good they're gonna stick on. The only way to find out is just to try it, I guess. But before we stick them on, we just have to clean the headlights, because we don't want dirty stuff between the sticky things and the headlight, because then it's not gonna stick on good. And we don't want that. Hey. Zeg ik niet? Okay, clean the headlights. They're pretty clean now. Look at this. Yeah, I put the hood open because it's easier than to stick those things on. It works a little bit easier, so that's why I put the hood open. I think now's the time to actually stick the things on. Things are on now, and yeah, it looks pretty cool, to be honest. It looks really aggressive. It looks like an angry car now, but it's still stock. So we need to change that in the future. There's coming a mod very soon, so subscribe to my channel. I'm not gonna let you guys wait any longer. Here it is. Yeah, pretty cool, isn't it? Look at this, guys. There's only this piece that wouldn't stick on that good, but it looks really aggressive. It looks really cool. yeah, I'm very happy with it, with the end result. There's only one thing we need to change about the look of this car, and that is the black emblems. And I actually already have these, and I already have these. This one wouldn't go on, yeah, the black one wouldn't go on, so I still need to fix that, but that's coming very soon. This, I just have to take the whole grille out and then put another piece of that onto the car. Exciting mods coming in the future, so subscribe like I already said. Yeah, I think it's time to take a few pictures and go for a drive and see how it sticks on, I guess. Send it! Oh no, car still needs to warm up. Yeah, over there, that was a Jaguar XF with a V8. They got like 500 horsepower or something, 500 plus, with a supercharged V8. It's pretty crazy. So, trying to film it if I can film it. Look, there it goes, guys, with the V8. Tunnel! Nah, I got a stock exhaust. I can't do that. Wow. Such a beautiful day to take this GTI out for a drive. I just love days like these, man. Nice weather, nice car, and a stock exhaust! Okay, let's send it a little bit for you guys, yeah? Just a little bit. That was not even full throttle, guys. It's not that fast, but it is fast. But not really that fast, if you know what I mean. You know, just a little nice Sunday chill drive, you know, not too fast, not too quick, not too crazy, but just a little bit of a nice cruise, just nice cruising. And of course, when there are nice roads up ahead, you gotta put some fucking speed bumps in it. Man, who invented those speed bumps? I just don't know why. It's just terrible to drive. Looks really weird. It's sort of old but still modern village or something like that. Okay, let's take it over here. And then to the left is a good road, I believe. Look at this. Oh, and a speed bump. Of course there has to be a speed bump. Look at this for a drive. Yeah, we've done a POV drive video over here, but I still want to go here because it's freaking beautiful with this weather. That's a quite nice. This is quite nice BMW. And maybe you could have guessed it, but also on this road and in this town there are some freaking slow people in the way. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Let's take it to the right. Okay, so now we're on a quiet spot and literally nobody is here. It's just so beautiful. Oh, look at this angle. Now you can really see these things. I don't know really how to call them, but let's call them eyebrows or something like that. Headlight eyebrows. It just looks so good. Look at this view. It's just so amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna take a few pictures and you can check them out on my Instagram. So yeah, R90 Robbin, go follow that. I know I've already been here, but it looks freaking cool. And look at this angle, guys. This angle is pretty cool. Wow. Okay, let's do a little montage for you guys, yeah? Sick, isn't it? Nah, I'm still learning with my montage, and I definitely need a new camera for that, because it's not the best, to be honest, but it works for videos like this. So yeah, we definitely have to change the camera in the future as well. Okay, I'm gonna try something, guys. Putting my camera on the ground and then driving away. Let's do a lounge, I think, with the camera on the ground. And yeah, let's hope that no one is stealing the camera, because then I have no content for you guys. Let's try that. Just see how the sound is and how the camera picks it up, I guess. So yeah, let's do that. yeah, how was that? Tell me in the comments. I don't know yet, but I see it in the edit. Let me know, guys, what you guys think of that kind of editing video style thingy. It just helps improving my content, really. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna head out and hit some good roads. So let's head out here. Look how beautiful it is, guys. It's just so amazing to drive here. Look at this. Officially it's still winter, so I'm really looking forward to the summer and spring. Then the whole new car season starts, and yeah, I'm just really excited for that. Over here we have some nice corners, but there's a car in the way, so I can't take them too hard. Take the inside. Oh yes. Take the inside like Max Verstappen. Whoa, that was a little bit too much. Let's send her one more time, yeah? Let's send her one more time. Oh, corner. It's just so much fun, man, on these roads and with this car. Just super blessed, man. Now there are some boring roads, so yeah, let's just head home, I think. Just letting it cool down a little bit, because you should always do that to your GTI, or when you have a turbo on your car. Just let it run for 1 minute or something like that, just to let it cool down and let the turbos pull out a little bit. So you should always do that when you have a turboed car. Actually, let's turn her off for now. This was it for today. I hope you liked it. The mod looks really cool. I still don't know how to call it. Let's call them Headlight eyebrows. I'm just going to call it like that, I think. Looks really cool, looks really aggressive. I definitely have to do more mods, just more black mods, the black logos and stuff like that. And within now and a month, there's actually a crazy mod coming to the channel. Let me say one thing, it's pretty loud. I'm not gonna tell you more than that. If you like this video, please leave a like, also drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Instagram, R19Robbin. And with that ever said, guys, houdoe.